my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. A very large counter to the counter key reversal up yesterday, which on the surface looks very reasonable, yet I find it still somewhat disappointing. I'll explain what I mean. You see, we still have not broken out or even really decided which of the two major patterns here on my daily chart the market is willing to choose. Prices were supported by the dark blue lower time currently at 70.62, the mid-April to early July bearish shift pitchfork, and at the same time they were capped by the bright red upper time currently at 75.23 of the bearish Andrews pitchfork for the same move. So you can see the predicament, especially as both these pitchfork tines have been previously breached and seemingly repaired. Now, admittedly, we did and still do have some significant congestion bands that the market utilized or broke through, notably the support from March 2023 low at 70.13, the congestion between 71.29 to 72.29, and then at 73.38 to 73.73, where we finished up yesterday, and the capping congestion around the April 2019 high at 75.58. But these are still minor when compared to the dark blue and bright red tines, and that's a big statement I'm saying there. And which of either the market will choose to break and which to follow is also a big question. The only new feature we just might have, is to have a look at the start of September to date action, either a possible bearish halfway hesitation or a double bottom type action. Right now it is not certain, as the neckline, especially on a consecutive closing basis, is about the April 2019 high, but right now it does sway a bit towards a possible double bottom, though it is early yet, and we could end up with a bearish cat's ears pattern as well, so just keep your eyes on it. Now, so far today, a higher open and a test up over the bright red upper time and even at the April 2019 high, which we are doing at the moment. No, we're not. We're to pull back from it. So there's no more at this time. They're just testing up towards it and come back off again to the upper time. Spot gold. A possible bullish double yesterday as the market re-established itself back up over the bright red upper time, currently at 26.48, of the breached late June to late July bullish shift pitchfork. We're also just underneath the all-time high at 26.85 and the 100% projected Fibonacci line at 26.75. All this continues to provide further evidence that the market has staged a break higher from the previously well highlighted April to September broadening top pattern. This pitchfork has been guiding prices higher throughout the summer. Now, we still have overhead a potential target X1 topside. This is for the original move out of the broadening top pattern. We had a primary target X in the 26.28 area, which was achieved last week. And now we have this secondary harder to reach target X1 up in the 26.96 area. So far today, slightly lower open and a dip towards the bright red breached upper time before a pullback up, though not too far.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.